the truth table. Please, for more on logic, you need to subscribe to this channel. What is the truth table? The truth table is a table that assigns truth value to each statement. It's a table that assigns truth value to each statement. For example, the truth table for B conjunction Q. Let's say B and Q is this. So normally we write truth, truth, false, false. Then we have truth, false, truth, false. Then for P conjunction Q, this is a statement which we define that is a conjunction statement. So what is P conjunction Q? Truth, truth, true, false, false, false. And by definition, it means that two statements are said to be true if both are true. Else, and they are said to be false if either of them is false. So for true truth we have true, for true false we have false, for false truth we have false, for false truth we have false. Also, the truth table for disjunction, say P disjunction Q. We will still write the same thing. We make our P and our Q what we are looking for is P disjunction Q. So we'll still employ what we wrote here: truth, truth, false, false, truth, false, truth, false. Now, for the disjunction is truth, 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 false. It simply means that two statements are said to be true if both of them are true. And two statements are said to be true if either of them is false. And two statements are said to be false if either of them is false. We also have truth table for negation. The truth table for negation, which is always denoted as this. Say negation P. So we can come here. If we say P and negation of P, so we either have truth and false. So the negation of truth is false, and the negation of false is truth. This is how to compute truth table for negation. We also have the if then statements. We have if then statements, or we call it conditional statements. Conditional statements. We can write the truth table for this. First, let's say this is P and this is our key. The conditional statement is denoted as P with an arrow Q. So we bring down truth, truth, false, false, truth, false, truth, false. For the conditional is truth, false, truth, truth. It means for a conditional statement, two statements are said to be true if both of them are true, or either of them is true, and they are said to be false if either of them is also false. So we call this type of statement the if-then statement, and it is conditional. So for more on logic, you can subscribe to this channel.